Y'all trying to start trouble already. It's not even nighttime yet. It's not time yet, man. It's too early. And so the journey begins. This is something that I've been wanting to do for a very, very long time, and I'm bringing y'all with me. It's gonna be pretty crazy. I'm trying to save my excitement for the plane ride, taking y'all with me. So let's go. Hey, so y'all seen that gray, but check this out. We got the new black. It's called the Standard, and it's available right now on Mod2Fame.com. This is the Standard cap. We switched it out from the hat we had before to a snapback. Pretty dope. Pretty cool. What y'all think, right? Official Tish. Official Tish. And when you order it, it's official Tish. You get your name on the bottom, everything. So our name on the bottom, that is. Sorry. Your name too. You M2Fers. You down with this. But anyway, another new merch plug. Go get that right now. www.mod2fame.com/merch. Quick little story. Let's rewind back to 2011. Hop a flight out, go down to Texas, Houston, around this same time, to this event that I never heard of called TX2K. You know, that's a younger me and younger staff or whatever. But anyway, get out there, driving around, seeing these big open roads, and then at night, I just start hearing like just over and over and over again. So get this call, hey, come meet us over here. We go to this hotel called the Omni, and when we get to this hotel, all we see is cars upon modified cars. TX2K, by far, in 2011, changed my automotive life. The experience that I had there was literally euphoric. Being around the highest horsepower cars in the country that descend upon one location. It's something that you can't even imagine. If you're a car person and you're into speed, this is it. There is no better than this event. TX2K, obviously TX stands for Texas, 2K, and then usually the year. So it's now 2018. Now we got Mod2Fame, and now I'm taking y'all with me. And my goal for this whole trip, this is gonna be a different style of video because we're gonna do something we haven't done before. A lot of people film racing. If you wanna see nothing but race videos from TX2K, that's no problem. I'm telling you, people like 1320, they got you. For us, what we wanna do this trip is just capture what it feels like. We want you guys to feel like you went with us to TX2K 18. We still gonna show you how it gets down out there. We still gonna show you how they give it up. And we still gonna show you who want the sauce and who don't want the sauce. This is an amazing, amazing thing, and we're gonna jump into part one right now. But I just had to give y'all a little disclaimer of what you're about to see and how it's different. And do me a favor, if you saw part one, you're blown away and you love it, and you wanna see more videos like this style, more documentary style, put it in the comments, let us know. Go to the website, join the M2Fers, send us an email, whatever works for you. Anyway, I'm excited. I hope y'all excited. Right now, I'm sitting in the back of the Lap Luxury in the LS460, AKA Mr. Fitment Pros, in the building, dropping us off to the airport. And you know it's me and Eugene on this trip. We about to burn it up again. Last time y'all saw us like this, it was going to get Cheapokitty. But anyway, y'all see the excitement coming in, and we out, we out, we out, we out. Yo, we out here, Houston, Texas. So we're rolling up to the track right now for the roll race event to see the qualified winners. It's been going on since super early this morning. It's almost 5 o'clock now. They're probably gonna be wrapping up by the time we get there, but we'll try to catch a little footage for you guys to at least see the winners and stuff. Although the track events are awesome, we're really here for the nightlife. Hi. Yeah, man, so we got to the track late, but as you can see, these are the cars that's left. We still got a chance to catch like the end round of the second round of qualifying, which was pretty cool. We got a chance to see Ty burning it up a little bit. We got the drone up for a little bit until they shut us down. They don't allow drones at the track. Let me see what else I can catch before we leave the track. We in the middle of Midtown right now. We just got over here. Y'all know we don't only show you cars. Sometimes we show you where we at. So we about to do that right now with the drone going up right now. Yo, so I want to show y'all something real quick. We from New York. Our highways are like tiny, small, and bumpy. I can see why Houston is the place where this event goes down and why it's so crazy. Look at it right now. It's 7 o'clock. You know, you got all the traffic, all this stuff like this. Let's give them a little preview. Fast forward to 5 hours from now, midnight. Go, 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 go. And let the festivities begin. We hopping in right now, the M6. Oh, y'all didn't think that we was gonna be in a rental car Camry the whole time, right? Hell no, we out here with my boy Rec. He's from New York, but he moved out here to Houston. So you know he had to come out and support, help us out. We need a car that could keep up a little bit in order to film. The M6 should do the job quite well. Heading over right now to go meet up with a bunch of cars that's about to start running. Man, this is gonna be action-packed. Ooh, let's go. Waiting till 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. They're racing at 3, 4, 5 in the morning, and the track is back open in a few hours.
Non-stop.
Like the first year I was here, yo, by Sunday I was just like, nah, I can't even do this. I just want to stay in the hotel and just sleep. This is crazy. Big truck series, man. You are officially called out. June 3rd, Cecil County, Maryland. Bring the SRT8 Jeep, and I want you to run against SRT Fonz. That's right. Y'all saw the video that we did with SRT Fonz and his SRT Durango. Who wants to see an SRT Durango versus the SRT8 Jeep? Raise your hand. Yeah, you guys are both called out. I'll see you at Cecil County, Maryland, June 3rd for the Mod2Fame Fest. I want to call out Auto Vlog. You're not too far from the track, man. Bring out that C63. It's looking real good, but can it move? Is what we want to find out. So come bring out the C63. Let's have a good time. Let's burn it up. I can't imagine what it's going to be like to see a C63 maybe running against Nick Murray's car or running against a Hellcat on stock tires, which won't be me. It might be probably Will Motivation. He said he ain't putting drags on his joint. He not putting slicks. I'm not putting slicks either, but I'm gonna put wider tires, so I'm gonna have a little bit of advantage there. There you go, Auto Vlog. Hey, congrats on the 300,000 subscribers. That's absolutely awesome, man. Come on out and celebrate June 3rd, Cecil County Dragway. Y'all go let him know right now. Jump in his comments. Auto Vlog, Mod2Fame just called you out.